Hey guys, it's Linda here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take off your supports on your resin 3D prints super easy without any hassle. So let's get started. Alright guys, so welcome back. I know I haven't been posting for about 3 weeks now. I've just been super busy with school going on and everything. I haven't really had any time to make a video, so I decided to make this really short video for you. It's super simple, super quick, and it's just going to be on how I take off my supports on my resin 3D prints. So as you guys may know, I have two resin 3D printers. They're both DLP 3D printers. One is a Creality, and then the other one is the Anycubic Photon. And I will leave a link to both of those reviews down below in the description for you, so you can go check those out for yourself. And with most resin printers, you really want to use support as often as possible. Now that is way different with a normal FDM printer, but you just get better quality with supports. And I know that sounds a little weird, but with this technique it makes it super easy to remove all your supports. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. So let's get on to the video, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so the first thing you want to do to make sure that you can get your supports off super easily, for example, this is what I'm going to be using today. They're just super little supports. I always use the smallest supports possible. I'd rather have multiple tiny ones than bigger ones that are harder to get off. So as you can see, they're all on the back there supporting this little coin that I printed. And what I do first is I put all of my pieces in a bath of IPA or rubbing alcohol. This is 99.9% rubbing alcohol, and I just put them all in there, and then I put it in my little machine that vibrates it to get all the extra resin off. And then after that, I put it straight into another container that is full of boiling hot water. Now this isn't completely boiling because I just get it from the tap once the tap is as hot as I can get it. And then I dunk my prints in there, and I leave them in there for probably 5 or 10 minutes. And I have two different types here, so I just leave them in there, and that really softens up the supports. And so once they have already sat in there, all I do is I hold it in a position that's super easy, put my thumb on it, and push it off. And it's that simple. Comes off super simple. Obviously, there might be some residue from the base of your print, but you can always sand that off later, because again, these resin prints are super easy to sand. So then here we go, one more, just like that, super easy to get off. Now, as I was talking about, there's a little bit here, so I would just sand that off, and then I have my print. So there you go. That's how you take off your resin supports as easy as possible. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it was going to be super quick, but I hope you learned something today. Hopefully I will be getting into more videos and stuff on sticker making and more 3D printing. Hopefully I don't get very busy, and also hopefully I will be showing you guys some more signs that I will be making for the holidays, because we are getting closer to Christmas. So hopefully I get a lot of orders. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.